Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on IMIPAW DU3L-KY automatic pet feeder. About this item. Parts description. Front view. Bottom view. Features. Unlock screen state. Button description. Unlock button. Up button. Down button. Setting button. How to use. Installation. Connect the power supply. Put pet food in food tank. Setting time. Set up a daily feeding plan. Set meal time and portions. Set the feeding time. Set the feeding portion. Unlock the screen. Manual feeding. Restore factory setting. Troubleshooting. Specification. Safety instruction. FAQs. I press any button but cannot work. I forgot the specific content of the feeding plan. How does an automatic feeder work? Can't get food. The display does not light up.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.